Hello, everybody. You guys remember when we did the Christmas tree activity? I made the video and you guys watched my video, and then the next day that we, brought in and did Christmas trees. So we're going to continue with that lesson today, and I'm going to show you a little video that I made reminding you of those 3 steps, okay? Okay, so here it goes. Let me restart this, okay? I did not start where I wanted it. Okay. So it says, how to decorate a Christmas tree. Step 1, fluff branches. Remember, we made it in the best shape that it possibly could be. Step 2 is strand the lights. You can either have colored lights or white lights. Step 3 is hang the ornaments. Pictures, stockings are all considered ornaments, and a tree topper. So it's the end of that video. All right. So now we're going to open up this slideshow that I made. Let's see if I can get it to go full screen. It says decorating a Christmas tree. There are 3 main steps. Step 1, fluffing the branches. Step 2 is stranding the lights. You can either have white lights or you can have colored lights. It's your choice. Step 3, hanging ornaments, pictures or stockings, and then adding a tree topper. And then here are a couple examples of a decorated Christmas tree. I posted 2 in this slideshow if you can see them, but it can look any way that you want it to. It's totally customizable to what you like. Okay, so that was all for today, and I will see you guys in the morning, okay? Bye.